Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome to my channel. This is ninth class of MS Word part 2. Let's start. Learn about numbering. This is selected text. Just left mouse click here. Here. Auto numbering on your sentences. If you want to change numbering, left mouse click here. Here. You can see this screen. Select any one from list and click. You can also set your own style number. Click here. You can see this screen. Select any one style and click to set. Here and click OK. Here. Now learn about multi-level list. Write one sentence. To use multi-level list, after writing sentence, press enter and press tab key from keyboard. This is tab key. You can see multi-level list option. Now write sentence here. Here. To change multi-level list style, click here. Here. You can see this screen. Select any one style from list to change style. You can also make your own multi-level list style. Click here. Here. You can see this screen. Select level and change format. Select level from here and change format. Then click OK to set. If any confusion about this lesson, comment in comment box. I will make with more detailed video about these options. If you are new and did not subscribe my channel, subscribe my channel, like and share. Thank you for watching.